Hey everybody, today we are diving into a super handy Excel feature, how to freeze rows. This trick keeps your important data visible as you scroll through your spreadsheet. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the worksheet where you want to freeze those rows. Take a look at your sheet. Click on the row number just below where you want to start freezing. This will select all the rows above it that you want to keep visible. Now, let's freeze those rows. Head over to the View tab at the top of Excel. Find the Freeze Panes button in the window group. Click on it and select Freeze Top Row. Done. Your top row is now locked in place. Let's test it out. Scroll down through your spreadsheet. Notice how that top row stays right where it belongs? It's like having your most important data right at your fingertips. And there you have it. I hope this tip helps you on your current and future projects. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.